friends, welcome back to Uttarashrini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Sambar, a very popular side dish in South Indian cuisine, eaten with idli, dosa, vada, Pongal, or rice. It's a very tasty accompaniment. In today's video, we are going to make a restaurant-styled sambar using our Instant Pot. If you want to find out any tips to make the best sambar, watch this video till the end. Set Instant Pot on sauté mode. Add oil. Once oil is hot, add asafoetida or hing. Red chilies. Adjust red chili according to your taste. Coriander seed. Chana dal. Fenugreek seed. Roast the spices for 2 to 3 minutes or until they look golden brown. Nice aroma is coming. Transfer to a plate and cool. The spices have to be roasted till they become aromatic and golden. To the same pot, add oil. Once oil is hot enough, add mustard seeds. Allow it to crackle. Curry leaves. Red onion. Sauté for 2 minutes. Transfer to a plate and set it aside. Use only red onions and just sauté for 2 minutes. Onions should retain its shape and crunch. Washed and drained moong dal or yellow peti. Toor dal. Turmeric powder. Water. Stir well. Cover and pressure cook on high pressure for 8 minutes. If you are using a pressure cooker, cook 2 whistles. While the dal is getting cooked, let's make the fresh sambar masala. We have transferred the roasted spices to a mixer. Add coconut, onion, tomato, add water and grind into a smooth paste. This ground sambar masala adds a lot of flavor and taste in the sambar. If you are short of time, you can use 2 tablespoons of sambar powder instead of roasted spice mix. Add coconut, onion, tomato, and 1 clove. Garlic, grind into a smooth paste. Open Instant Pot once pressure releases naturally. Lentils have cooked well. It's time to add in drumsticks. I'm not talking about the tools you use for your drum, I'm talking about the vegetable drumstick. Tomato, sautéed onions, ground spice mix, we are adding about 2 cups of water. Adjust water according to your required consistency. salt. Jaggery, this is optional. Cover and set Instant Pot on slow cook mode for 30 minutes. If you're using a pressure cooker, cook on low heat without pressure valve. It's been 30 minutes. Let's open the Instant Pot to check the sambar. Perfect, nice aroma. Give it a good stir. Toss in some freshly chopped cilantro. Restaurant-style sambar is ready in your kitchen. Look how well the vegetables are cooked, and it holds its shape and texture. Enjoy this restaurant-style sambar with any dish you would like. Garnish with cilantro. We are serving it with Pongal. If you want to learn how to make this Pongal, watch our suggested video that pops up. If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye bye!